Hello, my friends. It's me, Teddy, and today we're going to learn how to draw Dora the Explorer. Let's get started by drawing her adorable eyes first. Now, draw her nose using a gentle C-shaped curve. Right below it, let's give her a cute, big smile. Next, we'll create Dora's famous hair that starts at the front and flows down. After that, complete her face by adding the rest of her face shape. Extend 2 lines below her head to create her neck and then draw the straps of her backpack. Now, it's time to draw her arms, which are stretched out as if she's ready for an adventure. Let's finish the back of her hair, making it nice and full. Moving on, draw her shirt and then her shorts. Don't forget to complete her backpack as well. Finally, we'll draw her feet with some cute socks and her shoes. And there you have it. You've drawn Dora the Explorer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with more fun drawings soon. Until then, happy drawing!